Riboti ino ya mathina ma meciria kuonekana gukorwo mongererekete gatagati ga atumia aria mohete nda iyumiritie hindi ya ũrigiti utari marihi wa atumia aya mwena wa Naivasha uria uheanitwo ni thibitari wa Ndonyo ukirongoreria guteithia atumia guthingata ugima wao wa meciria.
At NHC, in 2 out of 10, we've received like 2 mothers who have suffered mental health issues in puerperium, that is breastfeeding and postpartum. And what we have done is to assign them to support groups headed by our psychologist, our resident psychologist, and also the counselor. We've also partnered them with mother mentors who are able to take them through the journey, and especially for first-time moms. I think they need more support from mothers who've gone through the same journey.
Atumia aria magunikite makigia na mweke wa gucemania nginyagia na atarani motungata maria kaingi makoragwo makihuthio riria atumia aritũ marathie thabari ino ya kurorerwo ugima wao wa mwiri hindi ya kliniki cia mbere ya kugia ciana.
Women, we really face a lot of challenges when you're pregnant and even when you're taking care of our children. Matters of abusive marriages, not just having enough money to go to the clinic, I think, and even diet, yeah, just eating the right food.
Arigitani aya mekite ũũ nĩguo gũteithĩrĩria atumia aritũ na makiria aria ni rita rĩao rĩa mbere kuoha nda magie na ihinda rĩbacĩrĩre rĩa gũkua nda nĩguo kũhĩtana na mathĩna maria mangĩũkania na mũtumia mũritũ kwagarara motungata ma bata mbere ya agĩe mwana kũrĩ atumia matanyihiire 170 magunikite.
The first time I went there, I was not in a good condition as a mother, yeah, older mother, yeah. So they supported us, wametupatia hizo vaccinations, helping me psychologically to deal with a small baby.
It's a new encounter, and a new encounter, you need someone to walk with you. So at least they have been there to walk with us, they have been there to hold our hands, they have been there to encourage us.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.
Habari zenyu? Mnasikia njaa? MC